Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to math. Today we are going to talk about arranging 6 tiles. And the reason why we're doing that is I want to show you that just because you have 6 tiles and then you move them in a different arrangement, that doesn't mean that you have to start counting over again. The number stays the same. So let me show you what I mean. This is called introducing 6 tiles in all. There are many ways that you can represent 6. You can put 6 tiles in a line like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Always recheck yourself. So that is 6. 6 can also be represented if you rearrange those tiles and you put 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom. That is also 6. There's many ways that you can make 6. You can put 4 like this. Oops. So it kind of looks like an L a little bit. And you can even arrange them that's 4, 5, 6. Those are just a few ways that you can rearrange these tiles, but just because it looks different doesn't mean that the number is bigger or smaller. This is 6, this is 6, and so is this, and so is this. Let me put these back. You'll have fun playing with these, making 6 arranged in different ways. That'll also help you group them. And what I mean by that is you can see 3 and 3 makes 6. Or you can also group the blue ones like 4 and 2 makes 6. There's another fun game. It's called Quick Recall. And this is where you're going to need your Unifix cubes. So you'll need 6 Unifix cubes, and let me show you. Down to that. All right. So make a copy of the image with color tiles. You don't have color tiles, but you have Unifix cubes, which are actually a little bit better. So as I click the timer, it's going to give you a few seconds so that you can look at it, and then you're going to do it again, look at it, and then you're going to try to make it with your tiles and see if it matches what you did. Watch. That's 6. Pay attention to what it looks like. You only have a few seconds. See? Now, I'm going to let you do it again. See if you can make that with your tiles. Are already gone. Now, this third time, make sure yours looks like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 over. And if yours looks like that, then you're correct. Let's do another one. I think these are fun. So now you have 6 with 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom. Try to remember that. Now let's do it again. Now let's try to make it. It's going to quickly go away. Now let's see if the one up here matches yours. If you have 3 up here and 3 on the bottom, then yours is correct. Let's try one more. Okay, look at this one. It's a little bit harder. Try to organize that in your brain. How can you make that one? You kind of see a square here with one over here, and like almost like a hat. 4 on the bottom and 2 on the middle top. Now, see if yours matches this one. Okay. Now, another way you can play that, let me show you. I like to play a game called Match Mine. If you have a partner, of course, you'll have a bigger divider than this. This is just an example. And your partner might say, I have 6, 3 on the bottom and 3 on the top. See if you can match mine. So your partner heard you say 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom. And then you just lift it up to see if your partner's right, if they look the same. And then you might want to say, okay, I'm going to put 6 in a straight line horizontally. Or you could use a word just like line down. And see if your partner can match that same description. Describe it and see if it matches. See, just because I changed it, it's still 6, and I can prove it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then when it was like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just because you move it around doesn't change the amount. That's a whole purpose of this lesson. Okay, so you can play all sorts of games arranging these in different ways to see what 6 looks like in many different ways. Have fun with your Unifix cubes, making 6.